Benny the Beagle lived in a little yellow house at the edge of Sunflower Lane. Benny had big floppy ears, a bouncy tail, and the friendliest nose in the neighborhood. Every morning, Benny prepares to step outside and sniffed his way into the garden. Benny loved gardening more than anything. He greeted every plant with a gentle wag and a warm, "Good morning, friends." The peas twined their tendrils around his paws. The tulips giggled when Benny tickled their petals with his whiskery nose, and the tomatoes blushed extra red when he stopped by. Benny knew just what each plant needed. He whispered secrets to the shy violets in the shade, sang silly songs to make the carrots grow straight and sturdy, and even led the bees to the thirsty sunflowers. He carefully nudged earthworms back underground after rain. One afternoon, Benny found a little sprout shivering in the breeze. "Don't worry," Benny hummed. "You're not alone." He dug a cozy spot, tucked the sprout in gently, and told it stories about rainbows and warm sunshine. "With a little water, a little love, and a lot of hope, you'll be tall before you know it," Benny promised. The garden shimmered in the golden sunset. Benny curled up in the cool grass, listening to the lullaby of wind in the leaves. All around him, bright blooms and glossy greens whispered back, "Good night, Benny. We love you too." And as the stars twinkled above, Benny and his garden friends dreamed of growing together, strong and happy, every day.